Take a ride in the 2012 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, hill descent control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, traction control, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.